How to see your YouTube Recap 2022. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open any browser and then you can see this is a website which is videorecap.bu-it.com. I will provide this link on the description box so that you can go this and check it out. After come to this page, you can see three options. First one is it's my first time, guide me through the process. So just click on that. After clicking on this, just click to the launch website. When you come to this page, you can see lots of options. Just click to the multiple format options and then click to the HTML options and then click to the JSON and then click to the OK. After clicking on this, click to the all YouTube data includes and then click to the deselect and then just choose history and then click OK button. After that, click to the next step and then just scroll down and click create export. After click to the export, it will take some moment and then you will see a mail from your Google Takeout options. This kind of mail, just click to the download your files options. After that, a zip file will be downloaded on your storage and then just go back and then just come to this page and then go back and then click to the second option, which is I already have my data, let me upload it, and then just scroll down and click to the upload watch history. After that, you will see a file which is takeout. Mine one is here, and then just wait a second. Now we can see your YouTube Wrap 2022. Here you can see this is your worst 12,000 videos from 4,000 different creators. So you can see your most worst creator was T-Series, and then just you can see lots of options there, and then in the last section you can see your YouTube Wrap. So when you click to this page, you can see the YouTube Recap. So that's the process. I can see YouTube Recap 2022. So hope this helps you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.